Let's explore how to craft effective title tags. Title tags are a crucial part of search engine optimization, often referred to as SEO. Understanding and implementing them correctly can significantly boost your website's visibility. We will explore how strategic page titles can enhance your search engine ranking. A title tag is an HTML element that specifies the title of a web page. It is one of the most important on-page SEO elements. It appears in three key areas: browser tabs, search engine results, and social media shares. As you can see in the code example, the title tag is placed within the head section of an HTML document, enclosed in title tags, and is the text displayed in your browser tab in search results and when shared on social media. This makes it a prime piece of real estate that should not be wasted. When creating title tags, keep them between 50 and 60 characters. This ensures that they are fully visible in search results. Put important keywords first so that search engines and users can immediately understand what the page is about. Make each title unique across your website. This avoids confusion for both search engines and users. Common mistakes to avoid include keyword stuffing, using excessive length, and including vague descriptions. Instead of stuffing your title with keywords, use descriptive and specific keywords relevant to that page. Rather than writing long titles, keep them concise. Rather than having vague titles, make sure to include a topic, category, or page type. A well-structured title tag typically consists of three components, which will help in organization of information. The first is the primary keyword or topic, which is placed first and carries the most weight for SEO. This immediately tells users what the page is about. Next, add secondary information that differentiates your content or provides additional context about the page type. The last part of a good title tag is your brand name to build recognition. This can be omitted on a home page where the brand might come first. Let's explore how title length affects its appearance in search results. Google typically displays the first 50 to 60 characters of a title tag. Mobile devices may show even less. Characters beyond this limit may be cut off with an ellipsis. Those are the three dots at the end. Truncated titles can decrease click-through rates because users might miss important information. It's best to keep titles concise while still maintaining clarity and keyword relevance. Notice how the length impacts the titles in these search results. An optimal title is fully visible, an at-risk title might be cut off on some screens, and a truncated title will definitely be cut off. Now let's look at title tag optimization strategies for different pages on your website. For the home page, use your brand name followed by the key value proposition. For product pages, start with the product name and a key feature, then include the brand. For blog posts, put the primary keyword followed by a secondary keyword and finally the blog category. Match the search intent for each page type, include relevant category or section information, and maintain consistent brand positioning throughout your website. For advanced techniques, use numbers and dates for better click-through rate. Include emotional triggers when relevant and test question formats for informational content. For example, instead of just running shoes, try top 10 running shoes or how to choose running shoes. Let's address some common issues with title tags. Using identical or very similar titles across multiple pages confuses search engines and users. You can avoid this by using unique titles for every page. Titles that don't include relevant keywords will miss opportunities for better search visibility. Be sure to include your target keywords to improve your ranking in search results. For example, instead of saying products for multiple pages, try running shoes, training gear, and accessories. Similarly, instead of saying check out our latest collection, try 2025 Nike Air Zoom collection new arrivals. Here is a checklist for title tag best practices. Technically, keep titles between 50 and 60 characters to prevent truncation in search results. Place primary keywords within the first 50 characters for maximum SEO impact. Ensure each page has a unique title tag to avoid duplicate content issues and use proper HTML syntax. where the title is enclosed by title tags. For content guidelines, include your primary keyword naturally, without forcing or stuffing. Make titles descriptive and compelling to improve click-through rates. Match search intent by understanding what users are looking for, and use brand name consistently, typically at the end of the title. These best practices will definitely help you with your title tags. Finally, you can also use various free tools like a length checker to verify title length, a keyword tool to research and validate target keywords, and a search engine results page or SERP preview to test how titles appear in search results. Using such tools will boost your SEO. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.